I'm gonna show you the trick on how to clean your kitchen cupboards where it's not a nightmare. You're gonna take this. I like it because it breaks down grease and you leave it on for about 5-10 minutes and it makes wiping super easy, but I'm gonna show you what to wipe it with. This kitchen's already clean, but this style of cupboard, you actually can't take a Mr. Clean Magic eraser to. It will literally strip the cupboard off. Not that I would know that or anything. I'm just leaving it to soak and I'm gonna go prep what I'm gonna wipe it down with. This is a fresh mop head that I bleached. I put in the dryer to take all the lint off, and then I'm gonna clean the cupboards with it. Away we go. Now, obviously, there's parts that you might have to go over by hand. Like if you don't want to do major surface area like this, the mop is what you use. But again, make sure the mop head is sanitized, okay? Then I switched out the water, put nice fresh water in, and I'm just gonna do one more loop-de-loo over, and then I'm going to dry it down. And finished.